Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a rainbow tower. I got this science kit from my very good friends, and it's a chemistry lab. And now we're going to take some glycerin and fill it up to 15 millimeters.
Is it coming out okay?
And we put this inside. You watch that, and now I put this is water and blue food coloring, and that's about 10 millimeters or meters.
Milliliters.
Milliliters. And then we are gonna make green now. 5 millimeters of glycerin and 3 drops of yellow coloring food.
No. Put it in the blue.
Oh, what?
Put it in there.
Oh, put it in here.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna put this in here, in this one. Not this one, this one. Can someone get in the bathroom with me?
You can mix it with the pipette, Reagan.
Can someone be in the bathroom with me?
And then you'll pipette it in.
Now let's pipette this in. So we did 15 millimeters of liquid soap and then added 6 drops of coloring food. And now we're taking our pipette and putting it in by an angle. This is my orange, 1 red, 2 yellow.
And what's it in?
Water.
Mm-hmm.
Water. And you do the same method, just like this. This is baby oil in red colors, so now we are going to do
This is oil-based red food coloring, and it's baby oil, so it's gonna rise to the top, stay at the top.
And this is what it looks like. Blue, green, orange, and red.
The yellow kind of got mixed in.
Yeah, there's yellow. Do you want me